Welcome into Buzzed Into Madison. We are excited because here in Wisconsin, America's Dairyland, we are celebrating all things dairy the entire month of June. We are here with Julie Bacon at Bacon's Rolling Acres. How great of a farm name is that? And it's so good to see you. It's been a couple years.
Yes, it's so good to have you back.
You are such a great story, you and your husband, 7th generation farmers. I mean, what a story. And now look at you're expanding. Talk about not only your roots, but how important it is to keep looking ahead and seeing how we can grow, how we can keep growing this farm.
Yes, well, my husband and I are both have been dairy farming for several generations, but we got married in 2010 and we built this new barn, and we have been able to grow our herd, and now we're expanding and adding another robot, and technology is really helping us, like with the cow comfort and making sure our cows are taken care of the best way they possibly can.
And for a farmer, that's truly magical, right? If the cows are happy, then your product is better,
right?
And you're a happier farmer.
Right, we always say if we can keep the cows happy, they take care of us.
Everyone, this is Jen, Julie's sister, and she is the butter babe because this is also home to Royal Guernsey Creamery. Why butter?
Butter because we were born to dairy, but we wanted to learn how to become butter makers. So we used the cream from our cows to make world championship butter.
And an award they just won in March. So it is World Championship.
Yes, our salted butter won a gold medal on the international stage.
Girl, you were born to dairy. Congratulations. Happy June Dairy Month from Bacon's Rolling Acres and Royal Guernsey Creamery in Columbus. I'm Emmy Fink, and you're buzzed into Madison. You're so cute.